Yo, what is this? Y'all ready? Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. Now, I just finished recording my last episode, and bro, there was like a really loud knock on the door, like FBI, open up. But it happened to be a package. Anyway, we're gonna open up the package. We're gonna see what's in it. Just like I said, I just finished the episode. You guys already know what the setup looked like. We've been here too many times. We got this package right here. And it does say like it's from AMP. I don't know, man. Yeah, I got some connection over there, but what can they possibly send me right now? So, and it does say fragile on it. So right now, it's about that time to see what's inside that package. So come on, let's go. All right, guys. So we just made it to our office, where we get a chance to open up stuff that we just received or fix some of you guys' PCs, or whatever the case is. It is definitely a big ass box. Let's move these out of the way. And all right, now we got the box right here. What did EMP just send me? Shout out to Kai, shout out to all the guys, but what's in here? Moving the first layer. Bro, they packaged this well though. What? We got the second layer. What? Bro, this was packaged well. I don't think he's sending me something. What? No. What is this? I don't know why it looks like something different. What? No way. Okay, you guys can actually see inside what it looks like. That's bubble wrap. I'm trying to mess this up. As you guys can see. Okay. Let's get this out. It's a cool here. Alright. Look what they did to the side. They got everybody's eyes and shit. Alright. This is the package. So if you receive a package from AMP, this is what it's gonna look. Yo, what is this? Y'all ready?
If you open this box, that means you're amongst some of the first people in the world to try Tony your family friend cover. Yeah.
Yo, there's no way.
You smell good, you play good. Everybody tastes good.
Whoa. Oh yeah, we kind of need some. All right, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna show the whole thing, but okay, we have to wait. How do we stop it now? Oh man. Okay, there we go. Bro. I'm about to close this though. But bro, this is pretty cool that they did this though. Like, I'm pretty sure this is just an LCD. Is that a towel? Oh, this is sensor. So they have a sensor. Once you open the box, they kind of just go off. I don't know if this is a towel or something like that, or a sheet, whatever it is. But this is what the package have. This is wild. This is a wild package though. And personal care by AMP. Each product created to help look and smell the best. Welcome to the family. Exclusive at www.toneshop. Let's go. Make sure to check it out. Now, just like I said, we just got this package. Hey man, I guess you gotta order yours, man. We got the exclusive today. And gonna be using this. Definitely gonna be using this. Let me know what you guys think, man. Presentation on point, bro. And we gotta try everything, bro. We gotta try everything. We gotta try. Let me see. I want to see which one I'm gonna be using. Okay. Smell like wood and stuff. Of course. Oh, this is alright. Okay, this is me. This is me. We definitely gonna be using this. I'm taking this. What about this one right here? Oh, this is fresh. This kind of give me like you wearing a suit or something like that. Yeah. Special occasion. What about this? I guess that's for the ladies. Yeah, definitely for the ladies, man. Yeah, you guys already know I'm keeping that one. And we got the lotion. Yeah, definitely check it out, man. But we got our package. We're gonna try to enjoy our package. Spend that like button. You guys already know how we do. Make sure to check out the link if you want to get yourself some too. I don't know how the package is gonna be for you. Depends on what you order. But I guess if you order the whole thing, this is nice though, man. Thank you to all the guys at AMP, man. Appreciate it. This is my favorite so far. We'll leave the rest probably to the wifey. But other than that, we out of here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Deuces.
Motherfucker, I've been mortified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my niggas.